All right, everybody, shh. All right. Hey, how's it going? Is your refrigerator running?
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Well then, you better go catch it.
You think I don't know that?
What?
My fridge is running. My fridge is running away. No. Because it already ran away.
I'm sorry, I'm just a little confused.
Well, you asked the question. Is my fridge running? Well, I got news for you, buddy. It already ran away. And all I have left is this letter.
I'm sorry I had to go. I'm sure you don't even remember the conversation we had last night because of how drunk you were. But you know almost as well as I do that everything has an expiration date. I'm sorry to be so cold to you, but you shouldn't look at this as a bad thing. You could be free like you always wanted. I mean, for God's sake, I'm a refrigerator. It's not like you could take me to a restaurant or something. Maybe one day you can put this letter on your next fridge, but I'll understand if you don't. Goodbye forever, Friggy.
Traveling alone, huh? Where you going?
I'm not sure. Anywhere but here.
Please subscribe.